Welcome back to Beautyistic, where beauty meets honesty. Picture this, a palette designed to sculpt, define, and illuminate your features without the fuss of juggling multiple products. That's exactly what Smashbox set out to do with their Cali Contour Palette, a powder kit created for light to medium skin tones that brings together bronzer, highlighter, and contour shades in one streamlined package. This palette is all about versatility. The powders come in a matte finish with a buildable coverage, which is key when you're working on contour because nobody wants harsh, muddy lines. The formula is designed to blend smoothly, and Smashbox has always positioned itself as a brand that focuses on pro-level performance without requiring a makeup artist's skill set to pull it off. When I put it to the test, I started with the bronzer, applying it with a fluffy brush across my cheekbones and temples. It blended in beautifully, not patchy, not chalky, something a lot of mid-range powders struggle with. The contour shade is cooler in tone, making it ideal for carving out definition under the cheekbones and along the jawline. And the highlight, subtle yet noticeable, gave my skin that healthy sheen without veering into glittery territory. What stood out most during daily wear was the texture. It felt smooth on the skin and never looked heavy, even when I layered a bit more for an evening look. I did notice, however, that the palette leans a little warm overall, so if you have very cool undertones, you may need to be more precise with placement. Let's pause here. If you're finding this review helpful so far, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and tap that bell so more beauty lovers can discover honest insights here on Beautyistic. Your support really keeps us going. On the positive side, this palette is compact and travel-friendly. You've got multiple products in one, saving space in your makeup bag. The powders blend well, the coverage is adjustable, and the finish stays natural throughout the day. On the flip side, the shade range is limited. This version only caters to light to medium skin, leaving deeper tones underrepresented. Also, while the packaging feels sleek, it doesn't have the sturdiness of some higher-end palettes, so you'll want to handle it carefully. When it comes to value for money, it sits in that mid-tier category. You're paying more than a drugstore contour kit, but you're also getting a smoother formula and a more refined finish. Compared to similar palettes, like the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit, the Smashbox version feels more user-friendly and slightly less intense, making it a better option for those who want everyday wearability over heavy definition. Build quality is decent. The pans are firmly set, and the powders don't kick up too much excess product, which means less waste. Longevity-wise, once applied, it lasts through a standard workday without much fading, provided you set it with a finishing spray. As for alternatives, if you're on a tighter budget, something like the NYX Highlight and Contour Pro palette could be worth considering. It doesn't deliver the same silky finish, but it does offer more shades to mix and match. In the end, Smashbox's Cali Contour Palette does exactly what it promises. It gives you the tools to sculpt, bronze, and highlight with ease. It's best suited for anyone with light to medium skin who prefers a natural, polished look that can be built up for more drama when needed. If inclusivity of shade range is your main priority, you might look elsewhere, but for portability and ease of use, it's a solid choice. Thank you so much for joining me here on Beautyistic. You'll find the link to the product in the comments or description box below. And if you've already tried this palette, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop them in the comments so we can compare experiences. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.